Hey there! Today we're going to learn how to use the Codebook command in Stata. A little used command, but one that's actually pretty useful. So let's get right into it. I'm going to type in sysuse and lsw88. And as you see here on the right, and if we get into the edit box, this is a database on demographics. Several hundred people for whom there's information about their race, marital status, and so forth. So let's just go ahead and type in Codebook and a whole bunch of stuff is going to come up. So we can kind of scroll up to the top and look at some of this information. Let's look at married and race, for example. So the codebook command is going to tell you what type of variable you have here, like say numeric versus string or date, which is also possible. You're going to see the label name that goes in there, and actually the label values, which is a pretty useful thing to see. So you see that one is the numeric tag for white, two for black, three for other, and you also have frequencies, which is a pretty cool thing to see right off the bat. You have the range and the unique values. This information here tells you you don't have anything that you don't have any information for race that isn't white, black, or other. So there isn't like a strange outlier like 99 or some typo or something like that. You also see that there's no missing data here, and you also get an idea of the total count here. That's a lot of information just from one variable. Now, had you wanted to, you could also just type in codebook race if you're just looking for one variable. You just wanted to know more about one variable in the data set and not scroll through all those hundreds of things. Or you could just type in, let's say, codebook race married, and then you would have information on these two variables. This is very useful when you're trying to quickly get to the numeric values for label. It's useful to just very quickly show you, what the range is, and if you have values out of the range. A pretty useful thing in Stata.